Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is December 20th, 2024, and we're diving deep into the world of Apple Incorporated, APL, stock. Recent news suggests a mixed sentiment surrounding Apple, with some analysts predicting a potential rise while others foresee a correction. Let's start by examining the daily chart, which shows a recent price dip, potentially indicating short-term bearish pressure. However, it is important to note the broader upward trend of the past months. Zooming in on the last 3 months, we observe a clear upward trend interrupted by several minor corrections. Notice the volume spikes that accompany these price movements, signaling significant market activity. Key support levels can be observed at around the $220 mark and $200 mark, while resistance is noticeable around the $250 level and $230 level. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of the recent price action. Here, we observe more frequent price fluctuations, reflecting the shorter-term volatility. The volume is generally lower on this time frame compared to the daily chart. Analyzing the 1-hour chart, there are periods of consolidation before a big push upwards, indicating accumulation and potential breakout moments. These consolidations typically offer good entry points for long positions. Support and resistance levels can also be easily traced on the hourly time frame. Finally, let's look at the 15-minute chart for the most recent price action. This chart will help us better identify entry and exit points and will illustrate the short-term trend. The volume on the 15-minute time frame is significantly lower than the daily and the hourly charts. On the 15-minute chart, we can see the rapid price swings over short periods, which should be used to generate short-term trading strategies. We can identify potential buy the dip or sell the rip opportunities based on the intraday movements around the key support and resistance levels. In summary, Apple stock, APL, exhibits a bullish long-term trend, with short-term volatility observed on shorter timeframes. Key support levels are around $220 and $200, while resistance sits around $250 and $230. While the short-term trend is less certain and could be slightly bearish at the time of this video, the overall picture suggests a promising outlook for Apple in the long run. Keep an eye on market news and volume fluctuations to gauge the strength of any future price moves, which will help you in your trading decisions.